What is up, guys? Back with another video. Okay, I'm recording. I'm recording. So, I have no idea who this person is, but hey, if he knows me, I guess I know him or something. Oh yeah, here's Sebi. If you guys didn't know, we actually made up. I never got to record these because I was usually on mobile, but basically, we made up, and he gave me like a bunch of stuff, and right now, he said he was gonna give me a godly that I actually, cause like I've been like gone for a while, so like he was gonna give me a ghost blade. Wow, very cool. And I since I haven't like done a lot, as you can see, not a scam. He was gonna give it to me. Thank you so much. Um, I actually want to use this after using it for like a while. Probably, I'm gonna start the giveaway. That way, it'll give me enough time. But basically, thanks to Sevi, I actually want to give away this godly to you guys, since you guys are so awesome. So, same rules as always. Like the vid, subscribe, share it, comment your username, and you can be entered into a entered for the chance to win. Like I always said, I always use the random generator. But yeah, share the vid. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs by the end of the year. It might be hard, but that's like a really good goal that I want to have. But yeah, so okay. Oh, there goes Tom. Tom was like, sure. I've actually known Tom Tom for a while. I remember we met in a trading server, and but yeah. So Tom Tom's gonna let me borrow his elderly revolver. It doesn't look that bad, honestly. The only thing that would suck is if yeah, bruh. Okay, whatever. But yeah, Tom Tom was gonna let me borrow. I was gonna give him a few things. Oh, it's lagged. Okay. I was gonna give him a few things in return, cause he had let me use it before, but I was gonna use it again. Oh, I didn't even get to kill anyone. Sometimes I play Booga Booga, but yeah. Tom Tom, he's got his whole decked out outfit. He actually kept collecting, um, but since I got scammed, I stopped. But like, everything's been going good so far. I got my shoes, got my limiteds. It's all good. Oh look, I'm the sheriff now. Dang it! Wow. Actually, I'm gonna. É o DJ DS! A Muralha meteu o pai, o Cláudio é o MC Lu, tá ligado? Nada muda! E vem com o beat divulga aqui. É o DJ DS! I was about to say no Chemica, but it's not no Chemica. Okay. Okay, the murderer's around here somewhere. The next person I see is getting shot. Woo! What? That's hacks! I'm triggered. That's hacks. I call hacks. So this guy won. I call hacks though. I mean, kind of deserves an ice shard. He gave me a ghost blade, so it only makes sense that I give him the ice shard because like he gave the ghost blade guaranteed is probably gonna be like at least 50 sears. Ice shard's like 30 sears, so it's fine. Um, he gave me the ghost blade. It's only fair, but yeah, like I said, still doing this as a giveaway. Um, oh, chat's laggy. Did Tom get back in or did it fill up? Ugh. BRB. So he's probably out texting me like, I can't join no more. Which sucks. I hope I don't get copyrighted for this. I'm gonna turn it off. So Angel got kicked out, or not kicked out. I mean, not Angel, Tom, which kind of sucks. But emotes. I got sit. Nice. Okay. I don't know if he's gonna be able to jump back. So basically, what's gonna happen is he was gonna let me borrow his Elder Revolver. He had actually let me borrow it before, just like he proved him that I wasn't gonna scam him. But he actually got lagged, so now I gotta wait. Hopefully, he's able to join again because I wanted to show you guys the weapon in hand. But yeah. Oh, so a lot of I forgot I still have some of these guys. Death Speaker, how much is that? Move this real quick. Who is this that I'm trading? Oh, I gotta end this real quick, guys. Oh, crap.